How to verify your identity on crypto.com. Verifying your identity on crypto.com is fairly simple, but you need to make sure to have all your documents ready with you. Just simply open the crypto.com map and go to the document preparation section, where it will ask you to first choose a country and select the type of document. So whether it is an identity card, passport, or a driver's license, whatever else it is you prefer, select that, right? Now once you've selected that, it will ask you to allow the camera access to be able to take the photo of the ID card. So once you've done that, just finish this process. Take the photo of the front side of the card. After you've done that, take the photo of the back side of the card as well, and you can make sure to take the photo. Once you've done that, you can see front card and back side, and once you've done that, you have successfully, basically it will send the ID for verification, right? So make sure your entire face is visible. Once the ID is sent for verification, your verification will be approved, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then verify your account. This way you'll be able to verify account or identity on crypto.com. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.